सालों पहले मैंने आपको और जैकी भाई को सोहो हाउस में देखा था।
सालों सालों नहीं होगा, 3-4 साल पहले होगा। 3 साल
3-4
पहले।
साल प्री आई थिंक,
I think COVID 2020
या मे बी।
because we started dating with a COVID love story.
अच्छा, आई सॉ यू ऑल एट, आई डोंट नो, मस्ट
Yeah,
हैव
so it
बीन
must be 2020.
जब सोहो हाउस रीओपन हुआ था।
So house reopen हुआ था and I think I know the night that you're talking because the first time we went out in public.
आप कोने में बैठे थे,
Correct.
मैं बैल्कनी में था और
8th floor पे.
हाँ, नाउ वी टॉकिंग।
See, now I can say anything. He's my husband, right? Now so I can say, yeah.
It's one of the biggest search terms related to your name also.
Yeah, I'm sure.
डिटेल में बताइए कि डेटिंग स्टार्ट कैसे हुई, शादी कैसे हो गई।
Oh God. Wow. So, I knew of him professionally, right? जैसे आपको मालूम होता है कि अच्छा ये है. So I had met him once pre-COVID for some film that they were doing as a meeting, and that's about it. And then में ऐसा हुआ था कि it was my brother's birthday and he was with me, he was stuck with me in Mumbai. So he wanted something like some particularly, and I called a friend and he connected me to Jackie कि why don't you ask Jackie, he stays close to your house. And I said यार मैं कैसे पूछ सकती हूँ, मतलब I don't know him that well कि मैं उसको बोलूँ कि मुझे बर्थडे ये सेटअप करने में हेल्प कर, अभी चीज़ें बंद है.
आपके वो वाले फ्रेंड आपको सेटअप कर रहे थे क्या?
नहीं
okay.
कोई सेटअप नहीं कर रहा था. He just said that घर बहुत पास है, maybe he'll be able to help you, and he's in Bandra because that time you could not travel, you could not go. So I called him and that time we started chatting a little bit, but it was very little. It wasn't too much. I always joke with him कि उस time पे he used to tell me I also want to learn meditation, I also want to do yoga. He's never done it after that. He did once maybe around that time while he was trying to patao, but never after that. And then 7-8 months, 9 months we very sparsely chatted, बहुत थोड़ा. And then we reconnected around October 2020 when we again met for a meeting for work. And that lasted into 2-3 hour conversation because we went into health. And I was like, अरे वाह, मुझे तो लगता था एक साइको है तो एक और साइको है, and that's how we connected and we started having longer conversations and then we started dating. Yeah.
कब पता चला कि शादी करनी है?
Actually उसको पता चला था मुझसे पहले. It was my mom's birthday और हम लोग गए थे Delhi to I was going and he said, I think it was just 4-5 months into us dating. So he said, I'll also come. I said, great, come. And I told my dad, I said, कोई odd question मत पूछना. First time a guy is coming to your house, don't ask him strict questions. And I told my mom, please tell Papa, just treat him like a normal boy, like how my brother gets his girlfriends. Just treat him like, a normal guy who's coming home for lunch. Dad being dad, while we were having lunch, he said ki, what's your plan with my daughter?
Wow.
नहीं, what's your plan, beta? So he said, अभी हम ये film कर रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं. नहीं, work and all is okay. What's your plan with my daughter? मैं choke हो गई थी वहाँ पे. मतलब I was like, I told you not to ask this question. And Jackie's answer was, I'm so ready. She's not ready. I can marry her tomorrow. But she needs time. So whenever she's ready. So the boy won brownie points there. So पहले तो ये dad का shock था और फिर I was like, oh, you are also giving me a shock. And I had to process 2 things. But yeah.
And you all were dating for 5 months?
During that, yeah.
तो कैसा लगा सुन के कि a guy you're dating is sure about marrying you? क्योंकि ये आजकल होता नहीं.
Correct. I think I'll tell you what happens is कि जब आप 20-21 साल के होते हो ना, या आप younger होते हो, तो you sort of grow together, right, in a marriage. या आपको एक psychologically एक system में डाला होता है कि 22-23-24 पे शादी हो जाएगी, फिर बच्चे हो जाएंगे, फिर ये होगा, फिर वो होगा. जब आप 30 के हो जाते हो ना, आप बहुत सारी लाइफ अकेले जी चुके होते हो और आपका एक वे ऑफ बीइंग हो जाता है. It's very difficult then to disturb that, right? Because you're your own person. So for me, I was always like, you know, okay, I am this person who loves my work. I am this person who, I have an OCD of time. Yes, I am like a timetable. I like certain things to be done a certain way. तो ऐसा कोई नहीं आना चाहिए कि, एंड ड्रामा नहीं है लाइफ में, वो अकेले हो तो ड्रामा नहीं है, और ड्रामा चाहिए नहीं मुझे. तो आई रिमेंबर हमारी जो फर्स्ट डेट थी ना, उस पर लिटरली हमने ये कॉन्वर्सेशन करी थी कि आई टोल्ड हिम, आई से देख, if you are not in your life in a serious space, let's not even do this, because I'm not at an age or like mind space in my head where I want to waste your time or my time. I'm not saying ki shadi hoegi, but I'm saying, are we two people who believe in the idea of marriage? And if we are, then let's explore. But if you're just looking at having fun, then I'm the wrong person, then let me be your bro. You know, we had this conversation in the first date. And he said a very beautiful thing, which was also my belief. He said ki, you know, I can never make you happy. You can never make me happy. We are happy in ourselves and together we are happier. And I think both of us follow that funda कि मतलब आज मैं खुश नहीं हूँ क्योंकि तुमने ये नहीं किया, वो तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम है. हम दोनों एक दूसरे के अंदर कोई void fill नहीं कर रहे हैं. We are happy as individuals and together we're just happier. And I think to me and to him, our just way of living, our way of understanding life sort of struck. And पहले मेरा एक बहुत ही अलग सा opinion था जैकी के बारे में. I was like, oh wow, this guy is sensible like that, you know, like mature like that. And then we just started chilling, and then his friends and my friends, and we were more in like that episode of Friends. ऐसे we were chilling for 3-4 months before we started dating. Like now, by then our friends were like, यार तुम लोग कुछ बोल क्यों नहीं रहे हो एक दूसरे को. So that's how it happened.
Hack to be noted, boys and
Yeah.
girls.